Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at the JBL Encore Essential outside with two of them. We're going to do an outdoor sound test. So hopefully we can turn them up slightly more than I did indoors. And we're going to use both of them today. So we're going to compare how 1 versus 2 sounds. And yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so starting off we have Take Me As I Am by Sunchaser and Chasing Rainbows. And at the moment we're just having one speaker on, so yeah, just one. Also, the microphone might be worse as it's only my phone microphone and I can't get my more professional microphone out here, so I can't do anything about that. And also there might be some background noise as well, like some crows in the background. But apart from that, let's get started. %. 45. 'Kay, let's try one more song and then we'll turn the other one on. Okay, next is Levitate by Neoni, so let's get it.
You sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening.
30%.
It's so fun and games until it doesn't toss me out. I'll hit the ignition. Now you listen. Hop up in the window. Smaller and smaller you fade out. Hop up in the window. Yeah. You gotta get my vibe, no there's no way. I'm flying high above all your gravity, trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate. You gotta get my vibe, no there's no way. You can say what you want, call me insane, trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate. Watch me levitate. Hey, watch me levitate. Try to paint me like a no-name, so sorry, but we're not the same.
40%.
No, we're not the same. Boo-hoo, poor you, please forgive me, cause I don't feel any pity. I'm fed up with lies, you wanted my demise, now you're watching me rise. Up in the window, smaller and smaller you fade out. Up in the window, yeah. You gotta get my vibe, no there's no way. I'm flying high above all your gravity, trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate. You gotta get my vibe, no there's no
Okay. Also, those songs were on Bass Boost 1 mode. I forgot to mention that. Both songs previous were on Bass Boost 1. Okay, so now we're going to pair them up. So firstly, we've got to turn the other speaker on to do this. So wait for it to turn on. And then to pair them up, you've got to go to the back, open the flap, and see this TWS button. You've got to press that, and then that will search for another speaker. And to know that you're in the mode, it will do this flashing light thing. And so then you press it on the other speaker as well. So both of them. And then they'll pair. Okay, so now let's quickly replay that song, but with both of them turned on. So yeah. It's much louder, by the way. 30%.
It's so fun and games until it doesn't. Toss me out, I'll hit the ignition. Now you listen. Hop up in the window. Smaller and smaller you fade out. Hop up in the window. Yeah. You gotta get my vibe, no there's no way. I'm flying high above your gravity, trying to bring me down, but I never stay. Hey, hey, watch me levitate. You gotta get my vibe, no there's no way. You can say what you want, throw me inside, trying to bring me down, but I never stay. Hey, hey, watch me levitate.
40%.
Watch me levitate. Hey, hey, watch me levitate. Try to paint me like a no-name, so sorry, but we're not the same. No, we're not the same. Boo-hoo, poor you, please forgive me, cause I don't feel any pity. I'm fed up with lies.
Okay, now let's move to a different song. Okay, so next is Bittersweet, Time to Talk Feet Roses, and that's by NCS. And yeah, this is already getting quite loud. It's already getting too loud for the neighbours, so I don't know if I can put it much louder than this. But anyway, yeah, here's the song.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow.
40% still.
Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Blacking out, friends fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how it feels I can't control. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling, whoa, I like the taste of it, whoa.
that was that. Also, the phone is quite low down. I notice if I go higher up, it sounds slightly better. The treble sounds more defined, so I'll see if I can get the camera up higher. Okay, next is Melodia by Cole, and yeah, let's just play it.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding?
Still 40.
Tell me what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. That you put me through, I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you.
Hear that bass? It's shaking the table. Right, I gotta turn that off. That's getting too loud. The bass is this table here is rattling. Okay, so I've disconnected the second one and now I've just got one on, and that's because I want to turn the volume up slightly, but it might get too loud with both of them. So to do a high volume test, I'm just going to use one of them, so it's not quite so loud out here. Yeah, and you'll still get to hear how it sounds at higher volumes. So here we are. Here we have I Feel by Sunchaser, and let's get it. 60%.
Watching the people, they're moving, intercepting for the chronicle, holding my teacup. I'm sipping on the stars of the summer sun, sharing the secret life Gets the fire, let the dishes roll. Capture the secret life. I got to feel, baby, the comfort of the mistaken life. I'm growing every second from the universe. Slide happy, slide happy, slide happy, slide baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Glide happy, glide happy, glide happy, glide happy. So nice, baby, yeah, 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 yeah. Slide into the brave new world. Inside your mind, to find that you're open.
Okay, that's enough of that. It's getting quite loud. Okay, last one now, and we're going to do Feel Good by Sinkhole. I've turned the other one back on, and I can't play it for too long, but we're going to turn it up quite high. Well, as high as I think is reasonable. And yeah, so they're both playing now on bass boost 1. And these were on battery the whole time, by the way. I should have put that at the start, but anyway, yeah, I'm pretty sure you can tell they're on battery. Anyway, here it is. I can't really turn it higher than that. And that's only 40. Right, okay, I better leave it there, or the neighbours will start knocking. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, that was test of 2 JBL Encore Essentials on battery and bass boost 1 the whole time. So yeah, I didn't change the light modes, but I don't know, I couldn't be bothered. But yeah, that's been that, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.